Hub is required for it to be compatible with Alexa. Works with Alexa to support dimming through voice control. Replaces an existing switch and installs in 3 steps in as little as 15 minutes. Ideal dimmer for all homes, as it does not require a neutral wire. Can control up to 17 bulbs per circuit. Tested and recommended for use with over 1,000 bulbs. Works with up to 150W dimmable LED, CFL or 600W incandescent, halogen bulbs, not rated for low-voltage applications. Use included Pico remote to run lights on, off or raise, lower to adjust brightness from anywhere around your home. For use in multi-location applications, replace existing switch with included Pico remote and wallplate bracket. Works with your voice assistant or smartphone via the free Lutron app for iOS and Android. Experience the ultimate convenience with the Lutron Caseta wireless dimmer and Pico remote control. The wireless dimmer gives you the ability to set the right light for any activity, whether it's reading, watching TV, entertaining, or having a casual dinner. Control your lights in a 3-way application by mounting the Pico remote to the wall with the included Pico wall box bracket, for multi-location dimming. No cutting holes or wiring required. The remote lets you turn lights on, off as well as brighten or dim them. With the Lutron Smart Bridge and app, sold separately, you can control your Caseta wireless dimmers with your smartphone from anywhere. The dimmer works up to 600 watt of incandescent or halogen and 150 watt of dimmable LED or dimmable CFL. Pico takes 1 County Route 2032 battery, included in remote. Hub is required for it to be compatible with Alexa. Top reviews from the United States. I installed my first Lutron Caseta dimmer and hub a few years ago and am now up to 9 of the in-wall and plug-in dimmers. They have been absolutely reliable. I did have a problem with a lamp that would not completely shut off and later started to flicker, but that was solved by switching to a newer dimmable LED bulb. No issues at all with the Caseta products. What I like about this system. When used with the Caseta hub, switches and dimmers can be programmed turn on and off automatically, either at set times or relative to sunset or sunrise. It's easy to set up on the Caseta app. It's convenient when I am home and makes the place look lived in when I am not. Adding another switch to a lighting circuit is as easy as adding a Caseta remote. They can be placed anywhere with the included adhesive mount, on a bare wall in a wall box, or loose on a convenient table. Remote setup is flexible. One remote can control multiple dimmers. A dimmer can have multiple remotes. Multiple remotes can control multiple dimmers. The hub also allows turning lights on and off from anywhere via the app. I find it more convenient to have remotes next to the couch.